friends. In this video, we will be learning about anastomosis around the scapula. Okay, anastomosis around the scapula. So the anastomosis around the scapula, it is done or it is taking place between the first part of subclavian artery and third part of axillary artery. In the last video, we have covered axillary artery, and if you have not watched that video till now, please do watch it. Okay, let us start. Let us imagine that this is the scapula, okay, and this is the spinous process. Okay, this is the scapula. Now, as I said, the anastomosis is taking place between the first part of subclavian artery. Let us imagine that this is the first part of subclavian artery, and this is the third part of axillary artery. First part of subclavian artery. Let us not write like this. First part of subclavian artery, and this is the third part of axillary artery. Okay. So axillary artery, we know that here we had the posterior circumflex humeral artery, anterior circumflex humeral artery, and we also have an artery that is the subscapular artery. So this is the subscapular artery. Okay, this is the posterior circumflex humeral artery, this is the anterior circumflex humeral artery, and this is the subscapular artery. Subscapular artery. Subclavian artery will be covered in head and neck part. For now, let us talk about the branches of the subclavian artery, the first part. So, like this, we have an branch that is the thyrocervical trunk. This is the thyrocervical trunk. From thyrocervical trunk, there will be branches. One will come like this, okay, like this. This branch is the suprascapular artery above the scapula. So this is the suprascapular artery. Suprascapular artery. From suprascapular artery, there will be an acromial branch. From posterior circumflex humeral artery, there will be an acromial branch. Okay, and also, as we have learned in axillary artery, from the second part of axillary artery there was thoracoacromial trunk, and one of the branch of the thoracoacromial trunk was the acromial branch, ABCD, acromial branch. This is the acromial branch from the thoracoacromial trunk, and this is the anastomosis. This is an anastomosis. Okay, so let us think this is the anastomosis. This is the acromial branch of thoracoacromial trunk. All are acromial branch. This one is the acromial branch of suprascapular. This one is the acromial branch of posterior circumflex humeral artery, and this one is the acromial branch of thoracoacromial trunk. Thoracoacromial trunk. Okay, done. Next. Okay, from thyrocervical trunk, we also have another branch coming like this. Okay, this is running transversely. So transverse. It is present at the level of neck, cervical, transverse cervical artery. From transverse cervical artery, we will have a branch like this, okay, which will form an anastomosis here. Here. This branch is called as the deep branch of transverse cervical artery. Deep branch of transverse cervical artery, or this is also called as the dorsal scapular artery. Dorsal scapular artery. This will all give branches like this, of course. Okay, now there's a large branch from this subscapular artery like this. Okay, and they form anastomosis. Oh no, and they form anastomosis here. This branch is called as the circumflex scapular artery, which is a branch of this subscapular artery. So this is all about the anastomosis around the scapula. Anastomosis around the scapula. Okay, this is all about. So thank you for watching the video. Please do share, like, and subscribe our channel. This is the first part of subclavian artery, and this is the third part of axillary artery. So don't forget. Bye, friends.